Hi, good evening. Welcome to WealthMills Securities weekly market wrap. You might be thinking, okay, I just came one day before because normally, as usual, the market used to end on Friday, but this week we are giving the weekly market wrap on Thursday evening. The main key reason is tomorrow is a holiday in India. The markets are closed next 3 days. That is starting from Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So we'll be resuming the markets on coming Monday, but next week is a special week in India because President Donald Trump is visiting India, and he's going to have a 2 days official presidential tour in India. But the news what we are getting is there will not be any kind of official trade deal that's going to get executed or signed during his visit. So we need to wait and watch how the trade deals are going to takes place, and what are the official announcements will come in terms of the bilateral relations in trade especially. And just to on a lighter note, Donald Trump is a person who always tweets on his Twitter handle about the stock market. So we need to see how our Sensex and Nifty are going to welcome Donald Trump on a lighter note. But if we see the earnings season of the Q3 earnings of Indian corporates, uh, almost all the corporates announced their results. What we have done is we have done a small exercise. Of course, it's a very big exercise, but to give in a smaller way, we have analyzed around 1800 companies, and what we observed is the sales of these companies predominantly came down nearly 5%. But whereas the profit before tax PBT of these companies went up by 19%. The main reason for this increase in the profits despite of the lower sales growth. The key reason is the reduction in corporate tax, and also we are coming up with a low base effect of previous year, that is the 2018 October, November, December quarter. When we compare both the quarters, we are coming from a low base effect. If you have to just to give an example, for example, companies like IDBI Bank, Bank of India, and Bank of Maharashtra, these three companies on a cumulative basis, okay, they declared a loss of 12,569 crores in the previous year, but in the corresponding previous year. So for the last quarter, they were in profits. So since it is a very low base effect, we can see a trend in a upward trend. And also, for example, if you see the Tata Motors in 2018 last quarter, Tata Motors declared around 26,000 as a loss, but for the current quarter they shown 1738 crores as the profit. So it shows a high base effect from the previous quarter. So this was the main reason, and also one of the key reason is reduction in input prices and raw material prices that helped the profit growth for these companies. But what is going to happen in the days to come? What we are going to observe is once the economy grows, once there is a the economic cycle get into an uptrend, we'll see the sales of these companies also to go up. So it will have a very positive impact in terms of the top line of the companies also. That's why you see the markets are in a positive territory. What we are going to expect in the days to come, the mainly 12,000 level of Nifty is going to act as a strong support level for the market until unless there is a strong negative news that's going to hit the market, or else 12,000 levels is going to be a strong support level for the market. And what we are observing in the markets is the rally in mid and small cap stocks just started. If you are holding a quality company in your portfolio, I kept on telling you, and I want to take every week one example for you. There used to be a company by name Midani, Mr. Dhatu Nigam. what they produce is they produce a specialized alloy. It is called titanium alloy, which is used in uh, manufacturing of different defense equipments, and also titanium alloy is used in our body joints. So it's a very precious metal used for various purposes. This Midani Mishra Dhatu Nigam produces that precious metal for different defense needs and some special needs. This company was hovering in between, last 1 year it was hovering between 130, 150. It was in a range bound. It's just like a heartbeat. It's going, keep on going up and down, up and down. Uh, some of our investors were holding this company because of the movements in this company. People are not, when it comes down also, people are not enthused to invest in these sort of companies. But this week, the stock from a level of 150, today it closed around 240 rupees. So what I want to impress upon you is, what I want to bring to your notice to you is, if you are holding a quality stock, once it comes down, just go and buy that stock. Uh, and try to accumulate this stock. This is the theme that's going to create wealth for you. If a quality stock what you are holding in your portfolio, it may come because of various reasons. If the fundamentals are intact, go and buy that stock. So that's how you can create wealth to your portfolio. This is the investment thought. I want to bring it for you. Next week I'll share it with you, one more stock, how this stock rallied. But please keep in mind, this is not a stock recommendation. You just call us if you want to buy such stocks. You just call us, and we will tell you what are the decisions you need to take. It's not a stock recommendation. Don't go and buy this stock in the right now, because the valuation matrix might change. So we need to see your time frame, your investment horizon, and what kind of volume quantum of money you want to invest in this stock. And the one of the other news that is keep on hitting the market is the coronavirus event. Nobody knows the data that's coming from China, how much accurate, how much transparent that data is. But this impact is this news have a significant impact on global markets as well as Indian markets. But how much the impact is the question. So we also just crossed our fingers how much the real impact that's going to happen on the markets and the companies. But as for now, Indian government have declared this as a natural calamity, and the government is ready to support whatever the help the companies needed in terms of importing the things from China. So that gives some amount of solace for the markets. So we are looking forward to the President Donald Trump visit to India, and we'll be updating and with all the latest information to all our investors. So stay tuned in. Tomorrow markets are not there. So happy weekend for all our investors across the globe. Thank you.